Now we are going to talk about the first problem statement. Currently, farmers still determine the ripeness of oil palm fresh fruit branch by its colors using eyesight. This method is very inconsistent and inaccurate. Besides that, another method, which is counting the number of loose-leaf fruits under the tree and the number of loose fruit sockets that were still attached to the branch, is also lack of accuracy.
There are some current solutions for this problem, but they present overfitting issues and quite time-consuming, besides heavily rely on human tagging and localization. Therefore, our proposed solution is the autonomous drone for oil palm fruit ripeness detections with cloud analysis, which is an automated system that's more efficient and easier to use. The ripeness classifier model of the oil palm fruit is predicted well with precisions, recall, and average precisions of 100% respectively as presented. Besides that, the user also can view the dashboard through the Power BI apps in their smartphone. This is the oil palm ripeness analysis dashboard of our system in Microsoft Power BI that visualizes the analyzed and processed data from the images that we captured earlier. The gauge chart and the cluster bar chart show the average ripeness of the oil palm fruits based on the area in the plantation. The value of the average ripeness of the oil palm fruits in that particular area, for example in area 1 or 2, is represented by the data point shown in the chart. The tables in the dashboard display the ripeness indices of the three main ripeness categories: overripe, ripe, and underripe for each oil palm fruit images captured. The map visualization functions in the right side of the Power BI dashboard integrates the Bing engine to visualize the GPS locations of the oil palm fresh fruit branches with their corresponding latitude and longitude. The slicer is designed to sort and filter the report to enable users to view only the information based on the area selected.
In this project, the target segment is divided into three parts, which are traditional and modern farmers, smallholders, oil palm plantation owner, and big firms. In this project, the developed systems provide a better and higher ripeness accuracy. This benefits the farmers and owner by collecting the fresh fruit branch in its right conditions with highest OER at its optimum condition.